Hey guys, it's Wyatt, and today we'll be doing a sort of different kind of video. You see all my games here. You see the weird games and how I've only recorded a few of them. You see it, right? So today we were going to be doing a different type of video. This is how to get a Steam profile picture. Now, I did it myself, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And I hope you like the new webcam and the new microphone. It's pretty cool. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go into Steam, of course. You want to go into profile. Then you want to go into edit profile. And then your avatar is this. You want to hit choose file. And then you'll have this thing here. So basically, what this is where you put and drop in the thing. Now, profile pic. Now, my profile pic now was updated with photo editor, but I'm not going to show you guys the photo editor because I don't have that exact photo editor. But anyway, off topic. So you want to go into Google or just anything at all. You can go into Google Images or any other image program. You can do that, like Yahoo Images. The possibilities are endless, but you just want to type in what you want. So I'll type in hamburger. So you can just type in something like hamburger. Then what you want to do is you want to hit save, and then you want to go up and hit view saved. You can hit down here too. I'm just gonna hit down here. So favorite images, and then you would want to hit your most recent one, so it should be in the corner. Otherwise, you've already saved one and you want to know how to import it into the file folder. So just select your image, then you want to hit view image, and then you want to right click it and hit save image as. Then you want to name the file, let's just call it, let's see, example. Then you want to hit that thing down there. It depends which web browser you're using. I'm right now using Google Chrome, so you just want to hit your download button. It can be anywhere on the screen. Then you'll go over this. Then after that, you can close Google or minimize it, whatever you want to do. Then you want to close this. Open up a new one of these. Then you want to take your most recent file. Not open it up, that's not what I meant to do. Then you want to move it, and then you want to copy it to the documents folder. And then when you open up Steam, we're just gonna move this over. So you see that your file is in the Steam thing. Now you just want to hit open. and then you want to hit upload. And then there you go. That's your tutorial. So if you want to change your profile avatar to a hamburger or whatever you want to do, just rewind this video and do what I did. But it's as easy as that. So yeah, guys. See you in the next video. Bye!